Hi everyone, I'm Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to give you a tour of a preferred room at Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. This is in the Surf's Up 6 building. This is room 6145 on the ground floor, so let's take a look at this. So as we first walk in the door here, the first thing we notice off to our side is that they have the, hey, I'm not going to say the word, but it is the name of the world that I'm at right now. And this works kind of like your Amazon device that you might have at home, but you can ask it questions that are specific to this resort and this company. Here we have the secondary bed. This is a fold-down Queen Murphy bed, and you can see that when it is not in use as a bed, that it can become a little dining table with 2 chairs. This is the main stationary bed that is over here. This is also a queen-size bed, and you can see that this is lifted off the floor so that you do have space to store luggage. There is also another little end table over here. And then there is an identical one right here over on this side of the room. And you can see over here that we do have several different types of charging ports. We have some traditional outlets and then some USBs as well. As we swing back around here, you'll see that we have a nice dresser here. And here is the safe with some extra pillows and blankets. And then, of course, we have drawer storage over here, more charging ports on either end, a couple of different USB options there, trash and recycling. And then over here is our little snack station. We have some shelving, Cuisinart brand coffee maker, ice bucket. It does come stocked with coffees and teas. And then underneath here is the beverage cooler. This gets down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you need anything cooler than that, you would need to speak to the front desk about that. Let's come over here and take a look at the bathroom. So we have some shelving and hanging storage here. Ironing board. More shelving here. That's where our iron and hair dryer are kept. More shelving underneath. Single sink. Makeup mirror over here. And then in here, we had a shower tub combo. And then, of course, the commode. This is a sliding door right here. And there's also a sliding door right here to separate the bathroom off from the room. Now, this particular hotel room is not connecting with another room, but there are some connecting rooms available that can be requested when you book, not guaranteed, but requested. And again, this is a preferred room at Disney's All-Star Sports Resort in the Surf's Up 6 building.